That is the reason it's known as warm water. So these landlocked countries are using our sea for trading purpose. These landlocked countries are using our sea for the trading purpose. Is it clear? So
Miss,
Pakistan is connected. Yes, beta.
Miss, can you please go back to that slide in which you showed us about the assignments? I'm recording the lecture, so please it will be helpful in the future. No, not this one. In how which which things we have to draw? Which latitudes do we have to draw? I'm recording the lecture. It will be helpful in the future. Can you please repeat them?
Okay. Tropic of Cancer, which is going just underneath Pakistan, 30 north in the center of beta. The lines I have mentioned on teams, the lines which will be asked are there in the on teams. Okay, 30
Okay,
north
miss.
is crossing Pakistan. 36 north is crossing KPK and Gilgit Baltistan. Can you see 36 north on the top? It is there
Yes.
in the north of Pakistan. Then the longitude 64 east. 64 east is the longitude which is crossing the tail of Pakistan, that is Balochistan only, and crossing through Arabian Sea and Afghanistan. 70 east is the line which is just passing from the center of the
Miss,
Pakistan. Yes,
the
beta.
content is not displaying because it is written there was a problem displaying this content. I could not see the content.
Okay, beta, there is some internet issue in your side at your side. You can join again. Leave the class and join again. Then you can see the content. Okay, Naveed.
Okay, miss.
Okay, 70 east is the line, and then 76 east is the line. Is it clear?
Yes.
Answer, is it okay?
Yes, miss. It's okay. Thank you.
Okay, Naveel, can you see the content now on Naveel?
Yes, miss, I can see.
Okay, thank you. Okay, importance of Pakistan's location. You have understood the importance that in north and northwest we are connected through passes. That is Khunjerab Pass connecting Pakistan with China, Karakoram Highway. You must have visited Khunjerab Pass. You must have seen Karakoram Highway, that is there over which CPEC, China Pakistan Economic Corridor, is being constructed. Okay, China is using Gwadar port to come to trade with other countries. China is having sea, but still China is having certain problem that the sea is there on the eastern side of China. China is a very large land, huge land. So sea is there on the eastern side. There are certain issues that the route is longer when China is using that sea, and there are the rival countries, North Korea, South Korea is creating problem for that. Japan is creating problem for China. This is the reason that China is using Gwadar port, and we are having friendlier relation with China. We are benefiting from China in certain other aspects as development is being done. Gwadar is fully developed with the help of China only. So other that Tajikistan I told you is a landlocked state. It's using our Gwadar port. Afghanistan is using as it's a landlocked state as well. So you need to understand that. Okay, in the south we are having Arabian Sea, and which helps us in doing trade with the Far East and Middle Eastern countries. Most of the trade of Pakistan is done through the Arabian Sea, because straight through sea is an economical and is easy, as we can do the heavy products, the bulky goods can easily be transported through via sea. Then we are having Jinnah terminal, from where all the international flights are going. You know that all the international flights, it is an international airport. We are going to talk about the airports in detail in the coming chapters. So Jinnah terminal is of great importance, as it is an international airport and it's connecting Pakistan with the rest of the world. Okay, one important point which I have not mentioned here, please write it down, that in the north we are having, you have heard about USSR, Soviet Union, Central Asian States Republic, CAS Republic is there. So those Central Asian states, when they are having untapped mineral resources, Central Asian states are having untapped mineral resources. Those mineral resources could be transported to South Asia and Southeast Asia through Pakistan and Iran. Are you getting? When you look at the map of Pakistan, when you look at the map, Can you hear me, boys?
No, miss. Your voice is coming blurred tight.
Okay, wait a second. I'm going to switch. Yes. Now can you hear me?
Yes.
In the north we are having China, and above China we are having Russia. Have you heard about it? Okay. Russia is present just beside China. The Russian Federation is there on the upper part of Pakistan, that is on the western side of Pakistan, the Central Asian state. No matter, but no issues, but beta, you need to complete your work. It will be burden for you. I'm going slow in the beginning, but I'll be fast. So I'm not going to wait for long. So you have to complete the work in very short time. And I can understand that you're having 8 subjects and you are supposed to complete all the work. So it will be a problem for you. Okay. Okay, Naveed, you open your mic and I'm taking the attendance. You just say which students are present there. Abdullah Nisar is there.
No, miss. Abdullah Nisar is not.
Azaz.
No, miss.
Anas Javed.
Anas Javed. Yes, miss. Present.
Yeah. Yes, Anas Javed is here. Okay, Abdul Rahman Hanan.
No, miss.
Ayan Sabir nahi hai. Mohammad Anas is here.
Yes, miss.
Mohammad Anas.
No, teacher. No.
No, miss. Answer.
Okay. Shahir Ejaz.
No.
Ayan Shoaib. No. Lujan. No. Hashir Qureshi is here. I have seen him. Hashir Qureshi.
Yes, miss.
Faik is not here. Hashir is not here. Usman is not here. Hassan Raza is not here. Kaab is not here. Ansar is here. Okay. And Nabil Sarem is here. Yes, Sarem. I have seen Sarem. Nabil is here. Yes. And Akif is here. Yes.